anong movie yung nag-shape sa kabataan nyo?
Ako alala ko. Kasi it's legendary amongst the Gen Z. It's Cars. Tapos pinanood ko siya on premiere night pa.
Ka-chow!
Ka-chow! I am speed.
Wait lang, wait.
Cut that out. Joke lang. I'm just referencing memes, guys. I'm not clowning everybody. Or anybody, for that matter. Pero ayun, Cars, kasi unang-una parang, wow, talking Cars. Pangalawa, alala ko na siya. Like, dati kasi it didn't matter. Pero yung, it was premiere night. So, syempre, first time watching a cinema. Tapos alala ko, nasa market pa ako nun kasi ang lawak. Tapos everyone was laughing nung may mga scenes si Mater doon. Hindi ko malala which one. Pero alam ko madaming tumawa kasi at that time, the jokes made sense kasi may Michael Schumacher, may mga NASCAR fans, bata-bata ba si Dale Earnhardt Jr. kung mga fans kayo. Hindi siya pa yung thunders na ngayon. Ano pa? Yun talaga eh. Maybe another one siguro. Ako lang, two more tangent before I ask si Stephen would be two runner-ups would be Speed Racer, the Wachowskis live action, mind you. That's so underrated if you ask me. Tapos, kahit alam ko medyo wasak siya for Wachowski's movie. And The Princess and the Frog, the last ever, kumbaga, classic era Disney. Kasi, premiere night ko din yun pinanood. Kasi, yun nga, that was Disney's last ever from the classic era. Yung mukhang Mulan pa yung animation before Pixar took over everything and, we started putting political agendas into the animations and stuff like that.
Ako, hindi ko makakalimutan yung first ever movie na pinanood ko. Naalala ko pa yun. Ay, hindi. Sa Green Hills Vira Mall pa yun. Godzilla.
Wow. Wait, yung black and white?
Hindi naman. Black and white ba na Godzilla? No.
yung tao pa yung Godzilla, hindi pa animated.
Nung miniature pa yung syudad, nung hindi pa CGI.
Hindi, CGI naman na. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung bida doon. Basta 1996 or 7.
Yeah, yung American-made Godzilla to. Yung hindi siya mukhang Godzilla.
Oo.
Yeah.
Bakit memorable yun? Kasi after nun, hindi na ako masyado nanonood ng sine. Kasi parang na-trauma ako dun sa movie. Pero mo, parang 3-4 years old ako, nanonood ako ng Godzilla. As in, naaalala ko hanggang ngayon, sumisigaw ako dun sa sinihan. Sabi ko, takbo! Mga tao, takbo! Takbo! Ang ingay ko sa sinihan, as in. Kasi nga nakakatakot siya for me. Dun nga, the sad part of me being born in the late 90s and early 2000s is yung panahon na yun, very, sabihin na natin sikat, yung pambobomba sa sinihan. Kaya wala akong masyadong memory ng nanonood ng sinihan. Kasi di ba yung uso yung mga bombings noon sa Metro
Anong year ba to for the audience?
1998
to or 2000s, mga ganun.
Yeah.
2001.
So this is
si Matthew Broderick pa to. Si Matthew Broderick.
So this was before the Rizal Day bombing, everyone. Just to let you know.
Ito yung mga kapanahunan na lumalabas yung rumor na yung may-ari ng Robinsons.
Si Yung
ahas.